friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my kit lineup for March. So I have two main planners that I use pretty much all the time. You've seen me do Plan With Me's in both of them. So one of them is my Avalon and Ninth 7x9 planner, and the other one is the TPC Nation, which has the daily journaling pages, and it's also a 7x9. So both of those are the ones that I do primarily, but I also have a B6, that's my social media planner, and that's the one that I've been sharing some pictures on Instagram with, but I don't generally do Plan With Me's in that one. That one I have a bunch of kits for, but I don't have a ton of stuff for, so I may bring that one in later, but for the most part, it's just these two planners. So I thought I would go through. So March is a big birthday month, so it's my birthday, it's Reina's first birthday, so I have kits that are birthday related and then kits that I just love, and I just feel like they're really good representation of both of us for the month of March. So I'm going to start with, I'll start with the TPC planner. I'll put this one off to the side. So these are the ones that are going to be in the TPC planner. So I'm going to start here with Caffeine Queens. This one is because the first week of March is both my birthday and Reina's birthday. So this one is for Reina, and it is so stinking cute. And since she's going to be 1 year old, I thought this was a perfect kit for her. It's Hey Diddle Diddle. It's like all the, cat in the fiddle, cow jumped over the moon kind of stuff. And it is absolutely adorable. I love, 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 love this. So this one is going to be for the first week in March. And here are all of the full box pages. And this one's from Caffeine Queens. And hopefully you can see it really well, but you've got all of your full boxes and then a couple little functionals at the bottom. Your page 2, like the paint swatches, and lots of these. I love these little headers here. I'm going to have to pull in some functionals from my, probably from Avalon and Ninth. I'm sure I've got some functionals that will match just to kind of fill in the spaces, but look at that. I love the music notes with the background here. It's really, really pretty. Then this page, oh, how cute. It's so cute. There's some other, oh, this is nice. I like these kind of boxes, and then paint swatches with the little stars in glitter in them. I hope you can see that. There's that one. Then you've got your functional page, and that is the last one. So this is your checkbox page. So that is this one. And then for the glitter, I thought I would pull in this. So I thought this was really cute because it's got the stars and the moons, which goes really well with the whole cow jumped over the moon thing. And this is a sparkly gold rainbow hollow. So I hope you can pick that up and see it, but this is one of the Scribble Prints Co. And I thought this would be a really good color to use with that particular kit. You know me, I don't use a ton of foil, but I will use, so I'll have tons of this left over for later on, but look how stinking adorable these boxes are. So this is going to be perfect to go with her kit. So that is for the first week. Then for the second week, this one is, because my birthday's on the 7th, so my birthday falls in the second week, so this one is for me, and this one is by On The Go Sticker Co. I've been hanging on to this one. So Alice in Wonderland is one of my very, very favorite. It's always been my favorite. You guys already probably know this because you've heard it 100 times. So when I picked up this kit, that is who I picked it up for, me. So this came as one of the little freebies, and this was a foiled extra that came with this kit. So this one's already foiled, so obviously I didn't pull anything in, and it's beautiful, but let me get to the full box page. So here is your full box page, and it's this beautiful hollow silver, like sparkly foil, and it's gorgeous. I love it. So here's all your full box page, and some flags at the bottom. Functional page with dividers down here. Oh, it's so pretty. It's bill due, appointment, to pay, to clean, that kind of stuff at the bottom. And then your checklists box. I like these. These are really fun. Then, since it's a TPC planner, I got the TPC add-on, which is these little kind of half like rounded boxes. Super pretty. And then I also added on the washi strip and the glitter headers. So this is for my week, birthday week, is going to be this kit. And this one again is by On The Go Sticker Co. Super, super beautiful. Love that one. Then for the next week, which is the 21st to the 27th, I'm going to do this one by Planner Pixie Co. And this one is Honeydukes because Harry Potter, Harry Potter. And the color is just like absolutely amazing. I love, 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 love this kit. It's so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Your page 2. And one of the things with Planner Pixie Co., plenty of pages. I think there's something like 10 pages in here, which I think my printables have 10 pages too, but I just feel like hers have just so much to choose from. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And these colors, I love them. Flip through, and I know I have a lot left over, but again, this is going in my TPC Nation, which has the journaling pages. So any extras that I have left over, I use in the journaling pages, so it's not a big deal. So there's that. And then for the foil for this one, I thought I would use this one by Scribble Prints Co. And this is, I think this is the one that came out with her Candyland kit, because it's kind of like candy themed, and it's a hollow, rainbow hollow. Get rid of that. It's really pretty, but I thought it would go pretty well with this because it's Honeydukes, which is all candy themed. And so here are all the full box overlays, the underlays, and your washi covers and your dividers. It's really, really pretty. It's all candy themed, and I thought that one would go really nicely with this kit. So that is in Silver Hollow. Then for the last week, this one is one of mine from my shop, and I love this kit. I couldn't wait to use it. I still play this game to this day. I still have it on my iPad, and I play it whenever I just want to just unplug. I will sit down and just kill some zombies, and I love playing it. So this is a kit from my shop. It's called Brains, and here's your first page. Your washi and your date covers, extra box, some functionals, and your date dots. Another functional page. Look at all your deco. These are so stinking cute. And all your little things. Functionals. Oh, look at that. I love the way this kit came up. Love, love, love it. This is the full like 10 pages. So these last two are add-ons. So if you have a TPC Nation planner, this is an add-on TPC page. And then this is just an add-on extra with the tall boxes, a double box, and a couple more boxes. So again, another good one to use like in a TPC planner because you've got your daily journaling pages. And then as the foil for this one, I have two choices. So I have foil that's coming that is like gamer related. It's got a lot of like the old school gaming symbols on it, and it is in a rainbow hollow. That is not here yet. It will be here. And so it's a toss up between that one and this gorgeous purple stars from Scribble Prints Co. So let me open this one up and show you. I think this purple is just absolutely gorgeous, and I think it would be a fun one to put with this kit. So if you can see that, it's just like, because there's so much purple in the kit, I don't know if that's going to be too much, but I just really love the way this looks. So here's all your overlays and your underlays and your upside down and then your washi dividers and your little decos. So this one is a maybe. It may end up being the rainbow one with the game. I don't know yet. Or I may hang on to that one for another game related one because I do have the Mario kit, which it may be a little bit more appropriate to go with the Mario kit. I'm not sure yet, but this is where I'm at so far, which I think is really, really pretty. So there's that one. So there is the TPC planner lineup. And now for the Avalon and Ninth planner. Again, this is the first week, so this would be for Miss Reina's birthday, and isn't this so stinking cute? So this one is Molly's birthday, so it's Happy Birthday Molly mini kit. So you've got all of your full box pages here. On this page, I love that, with the double box. There's a second one, so you get more. Then all of your little functionals, date covers, and washi. And more functionals. And for this one, again, I already know, I've already looked, and I have the perfect functionals from Avalon and Ninth for this one. And it's the spring one that just came out, and it's perfect. The colors just match absolutely. And for the foil for this one, there's this, I think this is the new format for Scribble Prints Co. And this, I don't know the names of these, so I apologize. I don't know them off the top of my head, but this one is kind of like a pink. So depending on how you look at it, it looks almost pink. Sometimes it looks orange, and there's no orange in this kit, but as long as you look at it the right way, it's definitely pink. So I'll show you on this. Hopefully you can see it, the pink part, and not, I don't know if it's just like, I don't know. It's obviously a rainbow, but the total underlay color of it is definitely pink. So there's that one. And then there's like, I don't know how to tell you, this might be the old format or the new format, I don't know, but there's all of your scripts and your icons. And I love these little stars. More icons, what I do with all these icons, and then your full box pages and your dividers, which there are about 150,000 of these. So I thought that was like perfect to go with the Molly kit. Whoops, I'm just gonna make a mess here. So that is for week 1 in the TPC plan, the Avalon and Ninth planner, sorry. For week 2, which would be where my birthday falls, it's going to be this kit here, and this one is from Avalon and Ninth. It's called Wonderland, and again, it's an Alice in Wonderland themed, all exclusive art. Absolutely love it. I think this is gorgeous. Tons and tons of pages. She always gives you like 2 weeks worth of dates, which is perfect for, so even though I'm going to use it in the Avalon and Ninth, whatever's left over is going to go in my daily journaling, which I always do. There's all of your extras, and then there's tons and tons of these functional boxes. So I will not have to pull in any extras for this one, and I will have plenty left over. I love these. Plenty left over. Tons of little things with the rabbits on them. That's so cute. And look at that washi. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I will definitely not be using the foil probably over this because I just think that's so pretty. I don't want to. I don't want to put any foil over it. But the foil that I do use will probably be this one here. Let me get this and flip it over so you can see the colors. So the colors of the kit have, so this is like a pink chunky glitter. No, purple chunky glitter. I'm sorry. I'm not saying my words right. I'm trying to like turn it in the light so that you can see the color. So sometimes it looks pink, sometimes it looks purple. I don't know. I think it's going to be pretty no matter what. So let me pull this one out. So this one's got the bows. And again, like you can see. Here, I'll just go to this one so you can see it. Isn't that super, super pretty? This is going to look really nice with this, I think. Let's see if I can get this one and pull it up next to it. So see, it's very pretty. I think it'll go pretty well with it. If not, I might switch this out for just like a silver hollow because of it's got the cooler tones to it. So it's definitely going to need like a cooler toned foil to go with it. So if I change this out, it'll be for a hollow. So there's that one. Then the next kit that I'm going to do, I love this one. I've been hanging on to this one for a while too. Waiting for a special month. So this one is Tilly B Plans, and this one is called Second Star to the Right. And it's just gorgeous. The blues, the black looks like velvet. It's just so, so pretty. Love this kit. I've been hanging on to it for a while. Here's your page 2. 3. Look at that washi. The Wild Boys. Oh, love it. I don't think I'll need to pull in anything extra with this one either because it seems to have plenty of boxes in it, checklists, and another washi page with the extras. So this is the bonus sheet, and it's got like the doodle boxes and some more washi. And then I picked up the glitter headers. And for this one, I decided to go with the silver hollow. So since I know I'll have extras left over for this, I may use the extras from this one on the Wonderland kit or vice versa because there's so much like black and dark colors in it. I thought it would look really pretty with the silver. So this is the silver rainbow glitter, and it's the tiny glitter. It's the really, really fine one. It's super, super pretty. So that's the one that I think I'm going to use for this. And here is the washi. It's really pretty. Hopefully you can, hopefully the lights and the camera are picking up how pretty these are together, but just gorgeous. So that's that one. And then the last week of the month, I'm going to use this one. This is by Pink Planner Shop, and this was a printable kit, and I printed it out, and this one's called Fashion Villain, but we all know it's Cruella. It says, "Who is Cruella?" right there. Super, super cute. Tons and tons and tons of pages. And I love that washi right there. I have a couple of other kits from Pink Planner Shop that I've been using, and I like the format, but there's a few things on here that I don't end up using. I like this and this. So it's a really cute, really fun kit. And for foil, I decided to go with, because there's a lot of gold in here and it's a warmer with the reds and the blacks, I decided to go with the chunky gold glitter like this, which I think is really, really pretty. I think that's going to go really nicely with it. Hopefully you can see that okay. And again, Scribble Prints Co., because where else do you get foil from, right? That's these. This is the overlays with the stars. I think it's going to be really pretty. You got some extra little star decos. And you get so many of these that these last me for a couple of kits. So there it is. So that is everything that I have for my 2 planners for the March setup. And some of these will be planned with me, so you'll see them in action, and then some of them will just be like photo shoots that I do, and I will have them like up on Instagram so that you can see the pictures. And yeah, so I'm trying to put them out so you can see them. You can see what I have here. So many kits. It's awesome having 2 planners because I don't have to, like, I can just use everything and I love it. There it is. Okay, so there's everything. So thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys like all of these kits. I will try to leave them all linked below for you, so if you want to check them out, you can get them. And I will see you soon with the Plan With Me. Have a great day. Bye.